To perform a machine changeover, first select Menu, then Changeover, and Recipe Select. Once here, you will see a list of all of your recipes for your machine. Select the recipe that you intend to use, and you're ready to go. Once you've selected your recipe, it's time to perform the changeover. First, select the menu and move over to Values. This will show you all of the relevant values for this recipe. If you don't know how to perform that task, you can select the point and it will pop up the display that you need to be adjusting. Steps are included here for your following. Once you've completed this changeover point, tap to complete. Close this pop-out up and move to the next one. Once complete, this list will be completely orange. Pearson uses CAD renderings to highlight the particular parts that the operator needs to focus on for a particular change point. While performing a changeover, if you do not know where the change points are located, you can access the map by going Menu and Map. This will provide an indication of where these change points are located on your machine.